In no other area of art have I witnessed such a state of difficulty and confusion than in the subject of perspective. The fact is, our understanding and use of perspective has remained mostly unchanged since the Renaissance, with its overhaul hundreds of years overdue. Tearing down and reconstructing perspective from scratch, I take a frank and honest look at perspective as it was taught, correcting and updating its many falsehoods, omissions, and misconceptions. One then fully realizes how flawed so many of our techniques have been, and how limited our understanding of perspective truly was. The experienced artist will recognize the majority as new material that has never been available before, containing answers only hinted at over the centuries. Updating this subject also opens it to many relatively new artistic professions, which had few perspective materials available to them. These include photography, filmmaking, video game design, virtual reality, and all forms of animation. Perspective is a subject nearly everyone in the visual arts must deal with, from film directors to bridge builders, or anyone else presenting imagery to audiences, customers, or clients. Even if one is not an artist, these advances can still be applied by anyone with an interest in imagery or science. Going beyond drawing illusions of depth on a flat surface, I explain many topics not traditionally covered in perspective, such as motion, lenses, color, distortion, depth perception, focus, binocular vision, forced perspective, audio, and even why the camera adds 10 pounds. Be warned, much of this material will conflict with what you have learned about perspective and challenges many established teachings in drawing, photography, color theory, psychology, and art. Flaws are revealed in long-taught perspective drawing foundations, forcing one to rethink basics like the picture plane, vanishing point, horizon line, and cone of vision. For that reason, if you are a perspective authority, you may even find this information threatening. This is perspective pulled 500 years out of the past and pushed 1,000 years into the future. An essential study for any visual artist. Order A New Perspective, available in ebook and paperback at perspectivebook.com. Like, subscribe, and share with any artists you know.